I wanted to restore my factory radio and keep the truck looking original as possible. I bought the truck and they had these stickers trying to fix the buttons that rub off. So the buttons are, you know, they put the stickers over, but the stickers, when it gets hot, the stickers start moving around. So I bought this radio and I popped the buttons out. I had to, little did I know, I didn't have to take the radio apart to get the buttons out. Basically what you do, you take this little screwdriver, the smallest flathead you can get, and you wedge it right in between the top of here, and you pry it out and you hear it go snap, and then you pull it one more time, you wedge it out again, and the button just slides right out, and then you can pop the new button in without having to take the radio out. Let me show you this one. I'm gonna do this one. Yep, you hear that snap? Then you go one more time. Then guess what? Boom! Pull the button out. I got the buttons up here. I'm gonna put a new button in. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna do all the buttons because you hear that snap? And the button works. So I think I'm gonna do all the buttons so I can keep them all the same color, because it's like off a newer radio. But I couldn't pass it up doing this video showing, because everybody has this problem with the buttons rubbing off. So I bought this non-working radio, but it looked good on the outside. The buttons were good. I'm gonna see if I can do the eject and the fast forward and the seats and the band. But for right now, I'm doing this top row, and I think it's gonna look pretty good once I'm done with it. Some of the buttons are different sizes.
Por si mañana entra otro cambio, digo conmigo no. A mí ya no me cogí más. Cuando yo vi el saco de papel, digo yo no vengo más. Ahora fui al otro día al paro y no me alarmé a la muchacha. Y me dijo que ella no tenía culpa. Digo, menos culpa tenía yo, que mira, todavía me duele la columna vertebral. Ahora el tío del camión no lo vi más, se fue. Y ya no descargué más, porque